So we're at gotomath.com looking at some algebra. I almost said calculus. I've been doing that for quite some time. Um, okay, I believe that's going to be the one we're looking at right there. And let's click on the marker board. Go on down. What do we got going on here? So we're going to do what's in parentheses first. So let's get both of those guys first and then take their union. So let's just do that. All right. And let's actually use some color over here. How's that? So let's do A. How do you like that? Different color every minute. A intersect B. So let's see. A intersect B. What is in A that's also in B? Well, let's take a look. First, we'll start with some squiggly brackets here. An R. Well, look at there. There is an R there, believe it or not. I'm actually surprised. H. No H's. N. No N's. E. No E. L. No there. Oh, there is an M. What's the probability that their intersection has two elements? There will be a nice section somewhere on this website of finding these kind of probabilities are fun to do. And we're going to be using a computer programming language to figure that out. Get an approximation anyway. Anybody can understand it, I promise. It's a very handy tool because calculating probabilities can be exponentially difficult depending on how that question is asked. But anyway, let's look at this. Okay, A intersects C. What is in A? It's also in C. Well, there's only one thing in C, and that's a D. So is there a D over here anywhere? Don't see one, so guess what? That is the empty set. That's right. A intersects C has nothing in common. That's what I told my last girlfriend. Our intersection is empty. Yeah, she didn't quite understand what I was talking about, but anyway. Where are we at here? So now we're going to take the union of both of these, right? So let's do that. Yes, our intersection is empty. You can use that on your next argument with your girlfriend, wife, or whoever. So we take the union of both of these. Well, taking the union of a non-empty set with an empty set just gets back this non-empty set, Rm. How's that? Gets back Rm. Now remember up here in the box, we want to type that in alphabetical order. So M actually comes before R. So let's do that. M, comma, R. Hold our breath. Maybe not too long. Ooh, correct. All right. Correct. Okay. Of course, you can always click on that. Can't figure it out. All right. Anyway, there it is. You know where to come find me. I'm over here at gotomath.com. See you there.